Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create group chat on Instagram using iOS. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to create group chat on Instagram by yourself. Moving on to the video, open your Instagram app. On the top right corner, you can see a chat box. You either click on the chat box or slide on the right side. To create group chat, on the top right side there is a pen and a copy icon. Tap on that icon. Search for the person you want to create a group chat with. Or you can tap on the people you want to create group chat with. And tap on chat to create a group. To name the group chat, on the top side there is name this group. Tap on done. Now group chat has its name. To see who are there in group, tap on the name of the group. You'll enter the settings. Now here you can see who all are there in the group chat. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.